You can call me Hamish, but my name that I prefer, my African name is Botswana Wabantu. Okay, now let's get started. So we have a question right here. You FaceTime, please make sure you share and leave the comments below so I know how my beautiful family here, my niece, my cousin, and my brother, my familia who watching this video so I can continue to make this type of video. Okay. Now they say here derivate. Okay. They say we have to derivate. Now how we do that? I'm getting my pen ready here, right? That's what I'm talking. Okay. So let's say we have to derivate this one. So I'm gonna say derivate is gonna be f prime equal, and then we derivate 14. Look, let me explain something very important. When you derivate constant number, look. So this gonna be that 14 plus, and then you derivate everything, which is this one. So say bracket ln x square root of x plus 5. Look how easy it is. Now, let me say something very important. So when you start to solve this question, then you know exactly what to do. So when you differentiate constant term, you get 0. So this gonna be f prime 0 because this is a constant number. With plus, it's like somebody give you the differentiate, let's say m. But remember, you differentiate with respect to x. So there's no x here, just m. So that's why it's gonna be 0 because this m is gonna act as a constant term. Okay? But if it was x, it's not constant term. Let's say x power 3. It's not constant term because you differentiate with respect to x and there's an x there. So then the answer wasn't going to be 0 because this does not act as a constant. So we take 3 behind here, it's going to be 3 to x. Take whichever number is here, minus 1, it's going to be 2. That's how you differentiate. Okay? So you just have to know when you differentiate constant term, you get what? 0. Okay? So there is no x here. That's what I say it's going to be 0 because ddx of 14. Then plus now. So for this case here, whenever you differentiate ln of something, see, you got ln of something here. Let me do this. Ln of this. So what you do is say, well, I'm going to have to say dx of everything which is in front of the ln. And then you over, let me do this. So exactly what is in here, which is x. And then you leave the ln. Let me explain something very well. Let me say something here at the bottom. It's very important, right? So you can have a more clarity for what I'm saying. Look, if somebody say differentiate ln of x, let's say power 8. So what you do is x power 8, right? You have to differentiate what is in here. So say differentiate this example to make you understand. And then you write exactly what you have there. And then the ln you drop it. And then that one is going to be, this is not part of the question. I'm trying to explain to you. So we take this 80 to the behind, it's going to be 80. Write your x. And then 8 minus 1 equal to 7. And then write exactly what you have. 7x and 7x go. So it's going to be 8 over x. Oh, so that's, so if you have a ln of a function, it means you differentiate the function. Oh, my buddy. Sorry, my beautiful family. We're back. Yes. Okay. So if you look careful right here. Okay, cool. Okay, got a pen. Okay. So that's why I say differentiate what is in here. That's why I say ddx of the one, everything which is in front of it, ln. And then we over everything which is this one. For that case now, so let's differentiate this. So that's a quotient. So for the quotient, let me take it aside. Let's take this one aside. So say take, we deal with it, right? This one right here, which is what is dx x, and come and plug it back, right? So we have space. So make sure you say take. in exam or whatever. So if somebody's marking, know exactly, oh, what is this person trying to say. So we know quotient rule, write the denominator as a constant, so which is x plus 5, and then differentiate the numerator. So say differentiate the numerator, and then you minus. Now the numerator is going to be constant. You must start with the denominator constant first. Now numerator is going to be constant for now, and then we differentiate the denominator, which is square x plus 5, and then you over square the denominator, so x plus 5, and then you square. So I'm going to simplify this, and they'll come and in there. Okay, so then this is gonna be, check it out, check this out. So then this is gonna be, look, when you differentiate x is gonna be 1, so here we're gonna be left there x plus 5, and then times 1 minus, it's gonna be x, and then when you differentiate square root of x plus 5 is gonna be 1 2 square root of 4 of x plus 5. Okay, oh yes, but remember you over x plus 5 square of the denominator, forgot here, what? Square from the quotient rule, square the denominator. So denominator, I forgot to put root here, let me square my points. Okay, so when you square this, it's going to give you x, because this and this is going to cancel x plus 5. Okay, let's play the game here. Okay, so this is over 1, and then we can just do normal fraction. Okay, so okay, let's cross. So I'm gonna this on that one and this on that one. So then I can say so I can say now, look, x plus 5 times 2x plus 5. But remember, if you have a square root of anything, let's say square root of x times square root of x, that's equal to x. You remove the root. Only if it's square times square root. So for this case here, I'm going to say this multiplied by that is going to be x plus 5. But we have a 2, I'm going to write my 2 here. Okay? Do you understand that? Let me use another color here. It's the green. Okay. And then we're going to say minus. Excuse me, minus. Now 1 times 1 times x times 1 equal to 1 times 1 equal to x, and then remember you over, you multiply by that, which is going to be 2 x plus 5, and then all of this you divide by that one, which is x plus 5. Okay, so I can make a space here. Come on now, why is not erasing now? okay, no problem, it doesn't erase, so we can just continue solving, and they'll come and erase. I think it's free. Okay, so now we say, look, 2 times x, 2x. Okay, look, 2 times x, 2x, 2 times 5, 10. So 2x plus 10. Then we're going to have to minus this x. It's going to be x plus 10. So this is on top of x plus 10, and then we over what? Guys, I'm simplifying, then I'll come and plug in here. Okay? No, sorry. I'm going to come and plug in. Okay, and then here we x, 2x plus 5. Okay, 5 root, and then we have 2, and then all of this stuff, let's do this. Oh, sorry. Oh God, sorry, man. I'm drinking coffee. A tea, I mean. Tea sometimes. Okay, so then we say all of this stuff. Oh, it's freezing now. Oh, God. I don't know if you guys can see if it's freezing. No, you can't see here. You see, I'm trying to see on your side, on the client side, but you can see. But on my side here it's freezing. That's why. Okay, I can write. Just wait for a minute. Sometimes it does for just 2 seconds, and then it's gonna come back. back, and then we finish. Okay, very good, it's back now. So then we're gonna say, see, and then we over to all stuff, and then we over x plus 5. So what happened? Is gonna come in here. So then we have x plus 10 over 2 square root of x plus 5 multiplied by this is going to come in here, x plus 5. So what happened now? So all this stuff here we can plug in here. Okay, so now let me raise this and finish up. We finish now. Because remember we did tag that one so we can simplify. Okay. Oh man. Sometime. Okay, now let's just finish up this eraser can be funny sometime. Equal to, because it has to finish up here, it does not want. Okay, no problem. So we're gonna say equal to, look, f prime of x equal to 0. I don't have to write 0, and then here we say minus, okay. It's not minus, it's plus. Actually, it's plus. In opposed plus, so this must go plus. So I don't have to write plus. I can simply say, okay. It's gonna be 0 plus because here is plus. All this stuff is gonna give us that, which is what is x plus 10 over 2 square root of x plus 5 times x plus 5. And then okay, and then excuse me, okay, and then we divide by what? By this one here, which is x square root of x plus 5. Now we finish up soon. Look, this and that's gonna cancel, and then what happened? We say, well, so we have x plus 10 over 2x plus 5. But remember here you got your x here. All this stuff divided by x. This is 10 here. So now we say this x is going to come in here at the bottom. So finally, then we're going to have this come to the bottom. It's going to be x plus 10 over 2x x plus 5. And that's going to be the last option. So that's the last option. So, man, leave a comment, man, share this video to a lot of people. For that be safe. My name is Patrana. Peace, and I'm out.